Santol is a tropical fruit native to maritime Southeast Asia. It is also commonly referred to as the cotton fruit. The evergreen tree belongs to the mahogany family. It is fast-growing and can reach a height of up to 50 meters. The Santol tree grows in humid tropical regions from sea level to an elevation of about 900 meters above. It grows better with rainfall distributed throughout the year, although it tolerates long dry periods as well. Normally, seed trees produce fruit after 5 or 7 years of age, though some cultivars need only 3 or 4. The Santol is a very productive tree. A mature tree can produce between 18,000 and 24,000 fruits per year. The Santol fruits are approximately the size of a regular apple. There are 2 varieties of Santol, previously considered 2 different species, the yellow variety and the red. The difference is in the color that the outer leaves turn before falling. Both types have a skin that may be a thin peel or a thicker rind, depending on the variety. The central pulp near the seeds may be sweet or sour and contains inedible brown seeds. The ripe fruits are harvested by climbing the tree and plucking by hand. Alternatively, a long stick with a forked end may be used to twist the fruits off. The pulp is eaten raw and plain or with spices added. It is also cooked and candied or made into marmalade. In Filipino cuisine, grated rind is cooked in coconut milk with bits of pork and hot pepper and served as sinantolan in the province of southern Luzon. The partly ripe sour fruits are also used as a souring agent in sour broth dishes like sinigang. In Thai cuisine, this fruit is used to make som tam when still not fully ripe. It is also one of the main ingredients in the santol and pork and santol and prawn Thai curries. The wood of the tree is useful for construction, being plentiful and usually easy to work and polish. The leaves and bark have been used medicinally as a poultice. Several parts of the plant may have anti-inflammatory effects, and some chemical extracts from santol stems have shown anti-cancerous properties in vitro. Extracts from santol seeds have insecticidal properties. With such a variety of uses, santol is an integral part of Southeast Asian culture. Stay valorous.